Leo, what are you doing? What are you doing? I see you. I see you. I see you. Little friend is there. Right? He's chilling. And I noticed something. Look at Leo. I gotta pick up all this mess over here. Birdie. Only one little birdie hatch. Unless the other one fell down. I was right. One of them fell down. You see, guys? That's why cats are very important. I'm gonna bring it back to mama. Selling some toys, you know how it is. Grab a little napkin, guys. Poor bird fell. The ladder. Let's get up there. Help the birdie out. Poor little birdie. Fell down. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Shh. No, don't go nowhere. Stop. Shh. Trying to help it up, guys. No! What is wrong with this bird? Put him back in there. I'm gonna leave him there now, okay? Let me know any ideas, cause I don't even know. These guys can fall down over here. You see, there's already a broken egg there. Tony's view, guys.